Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Have you ever wondered how Google Drive stores your file? How Netflix streams movie instantly? Or how Gmail works from anywhere in the world? The answer is cloud computing. Today I'll explain cloud computing in very simple language so that anyone can understand it. Cloud computing means using computing services through the internet instead of owning and maintaining physical servers yourself. These services can include storage, databases, networking, softwares, and even powerful computers. Instead of buying expensive hardware, you can simply use these resources whenever you need them and pay only for what you use. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose you save all your photos on your laptop. If your laptop gets damaged, you may lose those photos. But if you upload them to Google Drive, they are safely stored on remote servers. You can then access them anytime using your phone, tablet, or another computer from anywhere in the world. Cloud computing provides many advantages. First, it reduces costs because businesses don't need to purchase expensive hardware. Second, it offers scalability, which means resources can be increased or decreased based on demand. Third, it provides accessibility, allowing users to work from anywhere. Finally, cloud providers ensure reliability through backups and disaster recovery systems. There are three main types of cloud services. The first is infrastructure as a service, also called IaaS. It provides virtual machines, storage, and networking. The second is platform as a service or PaaS, which gives developers tools to build and deploy applications. The third is software as a service or SaaS, where ready to use applications like Gmail and Microsoft 365 are delivered through the internet. You may already be using cloud computing every day without realizing it. Streaming movies on Netflix, using Gmail, storing files in Google Drive, attending online meetings, playing online games, and backing up photos on your smartphone all rely on cloud technology. Cloud computing has changed the way businesses operate. It helps organizations innovate faster, improve collaboration among teams, reduce costs, and focus on their goals instead of spending time managing complex infrastructure. So, in simple words, cloud computing means using technology services over the internet instead of managing everything yourself. I hope this video helpful. You understand the basic of cloud computing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.